Marks aren't good enough. My parent thinks I'm going to fail. I've got so many interests, but I don't know what to do. What will society think about me? What stops me from reaching success?
Do you come across these questions in your life? Believe me, that's just a simple word called overthinking. Yes, overthinking is the curse of an entire generation. Overthinking is exactly what it means thinking too much. It is an outcome of the excess energy, and this energy is beautiful. It should just be channelized in the right way.
Start taking actions. Learn through those actions and you will reduce the energy in your mind, which will ultimately reduce the amount of overthinking. Make a decision that correlates with your passion, the will to do something. As soon as you decide and make up your mind, you need to start working.
Without commitment, you will never start. But more importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. It is not easy. If it was easy, there would be no Elon Musk, Virat Kohli, or Saina Nehwal.
One of the major reasons of overthinking is negative peer pressure because one thinks too much of what other thinks about him. You cannot let a fear of failure, or fear of comparison, or fear of judgment stop you from thinking and doing what is great. You cannot succeed without the risk of failure. People will tell you to do what makes you happy, but you should do what makes you great.
Go out, take risks, remove all the negativity and toxic people from your life. What you get after this is plain pressure. Pressure really has a bad reputation, but pressure can be incredibly good. Think about it this way, a tire wouldn't go anywhere without pressure.
Access the strength placed within you to overcome these pressures. We can do this by turning all the negativity into positivity, by choosing the right people who support you to move towards your dreams, goals, and ambitions.
After clearing the obstacles of pressure, our next step will be to reach our destination of success on time. This can be done by managing your time in numerous ways. Plan, prioritize, organize, and reward yourself.
Stop procrastinating. Set goals. Rather, set realistic goals because there are only 24 hours in a day. Analyze your strength. Know your weaknesses. Make a list of all the opportunities and what can pose a threat to them.
Remember, time is something that you need the most, but it is mostly used in the worst possible way. Remember, you have time for everything and you can do everything.
Where does all this bring you to? Success. Success is achieving your objectives by overcoming your obstacles.
Today, success is largely defined by measures such as wealth, position, and status. The most common misconception about success is that people think that it will automatically bring happiness. Although any success will temporarily make you happy, it does not guarantee you overall happiness in life. There are many financially successful businessmen who are very unhappy individuals, and there are millions of deprived people who are totally content and satisfied with their lives.
This is because while success is about the achievements only, happiness is about how we feel about those achievements and how we got them. Lastly, don't just do the work because you have been told to. Enjoy the work because you only have one shot towards this game of life. Do not waste it. Live the moment.